Here we are, just off the summit of Carrauntoohil, standing at about 1,035 metres. Nicole and Sherry are just coming up there from O'Shea's Gully. You're looking out here at Carrauntoohil. That loud noise is Fiona blowing her nose. Off in the distance you've got Glencar Valley. You can possibly see Dingle Bay. Over here now you're looking at Carrauntoohil, which is the third highest mountain in the country. Carrauntoohil, its proper name is Carrauntoohil, and that's translated as Fort of the Fena. There was an ancient watchtower there in the time of the Celts. The Carrauntoohil Ridge. Beyond that, the mountains stretch down to Kenmare Bay. And up here, just moving over the rime ice, the cross is just beyond the crest. Nicola, how are you feeling? Sherry, what do you think so far?